Tonight, Denver's district attorney hosted a community meeting to answer questions about another officer shooting. Viewer video showed a man shooting a gun as he walked down the middle of Lincoln Street, right outside CBS 4. The DA recently ruled the officers were justified when they killed that man. Our Dominic Garcia joining us live tonight. And Dom, certainly all of us at the station remember that day.
Jim, we had two co-workers outside when that shooting happened. Now, this ended just in that parking lot behind me. DA justified that shooting, and tonight people could ask her about that.
I believe that we need to be transparent.
Denver DA Beth McCann says she pored over files, surveillance video, interviews, and even walked the scene before deciding officers were justified in killing Christopher Barela. Simply put, he posed a threat to police.
The officer who actually fired saw him start to point the gun toward him, as well as another officer. And there were other officers who were in the area who didn't really have any protection.
McCann says she's held public meetings each time she's decided to not charge an officer in a fatal shooting.
These are always tragic. They're tragic for, obviously, the person and the family of the person who ends up being shot. They're also tragic for the officers. They typically have some trauma, emotional trauma.
I wanted to attend and see what happened and how things were directed as far as not filing charges.
Denver resident Carl Watson heard about the meeting on Facebook and walked away satisfied with the explanation.
We need more meetings like this, and we need more awareness, we need more people involved, and we need more concern for our citizens and making sure that we're protected and that the police are protected as well.
McCann says these meetings aren't always easy, but they are necessary. And DA Beth McCann says the public is welcome to review their files. In this case, even look at the video they have. To do that, you need to call her office, make an appointment. We have the information on how to do that at our website, cbsdenver.com. In Denver, Dominic Garcia, covering Colorado First.